Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Equip light armor and a close-range weapon to prioritize speed. This reduces recovery and lets you exploit openings. Move to the arena edge and face the latch at a 45-degree angle so your first swing clips its side. Once lined up, bait a quick tap attack. Do not hold, because a short strike cancels animation and sets the latch into its formless state. Make sure to time it during the latch's inhale. Timing wins this initial exchange. Once the latch staggers, you move into the core rhythm. Land one heavy to break posture, then follow with 2 light attacks to maintain pressure without overcommitting. This combo creates a 1.2-second window where the form collapses and the Azure latch is exposed. Listen for the low chime. It's your audio cue for vulnerability, and approach at a slight diagonal to avoid recoil. Make sure to keep mobility active. Strafing preserves positioning and prevents counter-tethers from resetting your timing. You finish by landing a charged strike aimed precisely at the latch's center. This maximizes impact and secures the form collapse. Backstep immediately about 0.8 seconds after your hit to evade the latch's backlash. Recovery frames are crucial. If the attack misses, do not panic. Retreat 3 to 4 meters, reset your angle, and bait another inhale before re-engaging. Troubleshooting tip: if timing feels off, slow your cadence by 1 beat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.